the HydraFacial system. It's a unique system because it hydrates, exfoliates, and stimulates all at the same time. What it does is it uses a special head to actually work on the skin and exfoliate the dead skin cells away. It uses a special serum that's customized for each client to hydrate, and then it also stimulates by bringing the blood to the surface. What also makes this system unique is that it also has light therapy. Light therapy is used to stimulate collagen. How that works is light stimulates cells, just like your plant with photosynthesis, and you get a collagen increase, and lines and wrinkles look more improved. So this is all one treatment instead of having to do 4 or 5 modalities in the past. It's the HydraFacial system.
This is the Rejuva Time Capsule treatment. It's a relaxation therapy treatment, and it's a 2-step process. The body is first exfoliated with a salt scrub, rinsed off, and then we paint the body with a very moisturizing, rejuvenating mud. We close the lid of the time capsule treatment. The head and neck is always exposed so that the client doesn't feel claustrophobic. And we actually steam the mud into the body to replace all the nutrients and minerals that are lost on a daily basis. We then rinse the mud off of the body further, and then we close the lid, and Vichy showers, these are all jets that come out, continue to rinse the body. You hear sounds of waterfalls, you get a light facial massage, followed by a color light therapy treatment that it's based on the 7 chakras or energy centers in the body. It just makes you feel as though you've rested for 4 to 6 hours.
This is the Accent, the newest radio frequency treatment. What this machine does is it helps reduce fat, and it also stimulates collagen at the subcutaneous layer so that you'll see a difference in the skin texture and tone. How it works is it uses radio frequency waves that come from the gun, and it actually goes in and stimulates the subcutaneous layer. The cells respond and the fat melts. So you see a big difference for cellulite, loss of elasticity, and also that loss of elasticity that happens right here in the skin on the face. There's no pain, all you feel is a slight heat sensation, and the treatment's actually extremely relaxing. So all it feels like is a nice warm massage. And the treatment shows you results within 15 to 30 days.